So I think a lot of the time, like the ML interview is sort of treated as like a superset of like the software engineering interview. So at like FANG companies, it's kind of like pretty standardized where you'll do lead code, like we all do lead code. You'll do a couple lead code rounds, and then there's usually like kind of a rapid fire ML like theory round where they just ask you, they're like, oh, what is like momentum do in the optimizer, or like explain like gradient descent, or like what's L1 versus L2 regularization, like, and you just gotta answer those like really fast, just stuff that you should sort of know off the top of your head. And then usually there's like a system design round where they'll just be like, design the Spotify recommendation algorithm, and you go up there and draw up what it would look like and explain how everything's going to work. And that's like the simplest interview process that you could get, is like those ones. So in that way, like I'm kind of like surprisingly pro leak code more than like most people are. I know everybody hates it, and I totally understand. It's just like the rest of like the ML interviews that we're about to talk about get so much worse. Leak code is just like you just have to spend like 400 hours like doing these things over and over again. Then you're like, okay, cool. Like I can do two sum in my sleep.
Yeah.
So like it's predictable. I can go in, solve a problem, right?
Yeah, it's predictable, and like the FANG ones are a little bit better structured. Outside of that, it's all over the place.